ठीक है. So what is the relation from A to B? It is a subset of A cross B. Now the most important question is, how many relations are possible from a set A to set B? That means how many subsets are possible of the set A cross B? So we are looking for power set of A cross B, but we already know the relation between the number of element in a set and the number of element in its power set. We know that the cardinality of A cross B is equal to the cardinality of A into the cardinality of B. So the cardinality of power set of A cross B will be 2 raised to the cardinality of A into the cardinality of B. So how many relations are possible from A to B? It is 2 raised to the number of element in A into the number of element in B. How many relations are possible from the set 1, 2, 3 to xy? It is 2 raised to 3 into 2. That is 2 raised to 6. So that is the formula to compute the number of relations from A to B. Now let me define domain of a relation. So we know a relation is defined between two sets A and B. So the domain of a relation R is a subset of the first set A. It is denoted as DOM of R and it is defined in the following way. So domain of R is the collection of all first element of the ordered pairs. That means we are collecting all the elements of A which are related to some element in B. That is the domain of a relation R. For example, if I have a relation like this, where 1 is mapped to X, 2 is mapped to Y, and 3 is not mapped to any member, then the domain of this relation is 1, 2. Now let us discuss range of a relation. So as we know, a relation is defined between two sets A and B. Range is a subset of the second set B. It is denoted as range of R and it is defined in the following way. Range of R is a collection of all second element of the ordered pairs which belongs to R. That means हम लोग B के वो सारे elements choose कर रहे हैं जो A के किसी ना किसी element से related हो. That means we are choosing the second element of the ordered pairs. For example, if I have this relation R where 1 goes to X, 2 goes to X, 3 goes to Y and no element goes to Z, then the range of this relation is X, Y because X and Y are related to some elements in A where Z is not mapped to any element. We will discuss more example in the next video.